Very good afternoon to one and all. I, Shobna Anand, welcome all the dignitaries, both on and off the dais, the corporate delegates, media personnel, students and academicians from various institutes to this 7th HR Meet celebration. In collaboration with MIT College of Engineering, is organizing Tech HR Summit 2014 based on the theme Technology in HR Functions. We are privileged to have many luminaries with us on the dais today who share our vision and support us in our endeavors. We have with us Mr. Sri Krishna Gandesa. I request you to, sir, please come and then sit on the dais. Mr. Satish Ranade from Wipro. Mr. Harshat Apshanga, the Technical Manager from Avaya India. Mr. Parag Harolika, Director Business Development, Tech Mahindra. Squadron Leader Ajay Paranjpe, the Director of Fast Track. Mr. Anshuman Bagil, HR Manager, Mitti Software Technologies. Thank you, sir. May I request Professor Subramaniam, Director, Industry Academia Collaboration, MIT Engineering, to please give your welcome address.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and my dear students. It's an honor and privilege for me to stand in front of all of you to formally welcome all the corporate, very senior executives and all of you for this very important and very critical, very timely organized function. Why all these adjectives? You as students, you will have lot many doubts, lot many clarifications that would be required on various aspects of corporate culture, life, working, performance, the expectations of the company, etc., etc. It's a very rare and privileged honor for all of you to have all the giants like this under one roof in a common platform. How many students of how many colleges will get this kind of a special privilege to interact one-to-one in a forum like this with all the corporate people? You name them, they're all here. All multinational companies, foreign companies, top corporates under one roof. How it is possible everywhere? That privilege, you would be having it now. I expect and I encourage every one of you to make best use of this opportunity. Have a wonderful interaction. Make the entire effort very much worthy, and the result will be seen when by the time all of you walk out of this hall, there is something for you to carry back. I formally declare this summit open, and I wish you the very best in your interactions. Thank you.
Now I invite Mr. Manoj Deshmukh, Pune Center Head from ITC Infotech India Limited, for the first panel on the dais. So please. Now I request Professor Subramaniam sir in order to felicitate Mr. I now invite Dr. Jaideep Jadhav sir in order to felicitate Quadrant Leader Ajay Paranjape, Director, Fast Track Software Services.
I request ma'am invite Ms. Professor Malhar Pangrikar, Head Marketing Student Development Section, Branding and Media, to give a brief introduction about MIT School of Telecom Management.
Very good afternoon to all. Very warm welcome, sir, once again. I, Malhar Pangrikar, would like to take you a small journey how the MITSOT has started and how it's an important constituent of MIT Group of Institution. We could begin with it. To start with, the visionary person behind everything in MIT is Dr. V.D. Karad. We all know about him. He is a founder, general director. Currently, he is also heading the UNESCO Chair for Human Rights, Democracy, Peace and Tolerance. It is the only seat which is available for Asia Pacific zone in total. MIT Group, as an impact, MIT Group has started in 1983. It was first private engineering college, rather I would say professional education program. We started in 1983. We have a concept of KG to PG. As a group, we have around 63 in total institutions. I would say, sir, as a group, we have around 60,000 plus students, which comprises not only of schools, but as well as for graduation, higher education, as well as into research sessions also. The student fraternity is not only pan-India, but it's a global representation also we have in MIT Group of Institution. 4 campuses only in in Pune, and in addition to that, 3 additional campuses in Maharashtra. So in total, 7 campuses in Maharashtra, and currently we are expanding into different states of India. Currently, we become a university in MP, Rajasthan, Goa, and recent news is with Maharashtra as well. So MIT Pune has become a university. The few processes are pending, but still that will be done. So to start with MIT School of Telecom Management, that was a silver jubilee year of MIT Group of Institutions when group has decided to start with the telecom management, a focused program. As far as compliance is concerned, we are AICTE approved and ISO certified in institution as far as processes are concerned. With that, our entire focus of education is not only on telecom business, but in allied businesses also. Because we also understand as a telecom how best we can contribute to the other sectors. So considering that entire area, we have developed the 3 specializations, which starts with systems, marketing, and finance. MIT SOT, as I said, we started in 2007. So I must say the ranking part, because in just probably 7 to 8 years, what is our ranking? In 2014, recently IMA has released their rankings. With that, we have secured A+ institution, a category of A+, wherein we have scored highest numbers in terms of placements and admissions. We have got around 80 percentile into placement section. The year last, that was 2013, with Business India as a performer, we've been ranked another top A category institution in All India category. 2012 was the year wherein the Telegraph, which is one of the premier in eastern part, has preferred MITSOT to pursue the PG program into specialist program. It was one of the top preferred institution. 2011, it was again IMA standards, that was like A4 category. So we started 2007. By 2011, we were into A4, and today we are into A+ category. That's a smart journey, and why it has happened is because, So a couple of accolades, like it's not only about accolades, the journey is because of the recognition